Do you want to know the revised latest income tax slab rate for the financial year 2023 to 2024 in budget 2023? Here in this video, let's have a comprehensive analysis on the revised income tax slab rate for the financial year 2023 to 2024. Hi and welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you take right financial and investment decision. Before we analyze the new tax regime, let's first see the difference between gross income and taxable income. There is a common misunderstanding between gross income and total income, and most of the times the income tax is being calculated based on gross total income, which is completely wrong. So let's first see the difference between those two. In gross income, revenues come from multiple sources, whereas in total income, it is equal to the gross total income excluding permissible deductions under section 80C to 80U. In gross income, it includes all the sources of income, including non-taxable income. In total income, it includes only taxable sources of income. Now let's see what are the types of income tax slab rates. There are two types of income tax slab rates. Primary for those who wish to claim IT deductions and exemptions. Secondary is for those who do not wish to claim IT deductions and exemptions. Note, the changes in the tax slab rate is only applicable to the new tax regime. The old tax regime remains the same. This table depicts the revised income tax slab rate for the financial year 2023 to 2024. Here, the salaried person who earns less than 2,50,000 need not pay tax under any category. Here, the salaried person who earns between 2,50,000 to 3 lakh need to pay 5% tax under individuals. Here, the salaried person who earns between 3 lakh to 5 lakh need to pay 5% tax under individuals and under senior citizens. Here, the salaried person who earns between 5 lakh to 10 lakh need to pay a tax of 20% under individuals and under senior citizens and also under super senior citizens. Here, the salaried person who earns more than 10 lakhs needs to pay a tax of rupees 30% under all category. In this old tax regime, for salaried person who earns less than 3 lakh need not pay any tax. And for salaried person who earns between 3 to 6 lakhs need to pay 5% tax. And for salaried person who earns between 6 to 9 lakh need to pay 10% tax. And for salaried person who earns between 9 to 12 lakhs need to pay 15% tax. And for salaried person who earns between 12 to 15 lakhs need to pay 20% tax. And for salaried person who earns more than 15 lakhs per annum needs to pay 30% tax, which is the maximum tax limit. Now let's see the key takeaways in this video. The tax slab rate should be calculated based on taxable income and not gross income. There are two types of income tax slab rates, with IT deductions and exemptions. Second one is without IT deductions and exemptions. In the previous tax regime, there were 6 income tax slab rates, whereas in the new tax regime, it has been reduced to 5 income tax slab rates. If you see over here, the default tax regime is the new tax regime. In the new tax regime, the non-taxable income is raised from 5 to 7 lakhs under section 87A. A comprehensive analysis on new tax regime is available in our website in the form of a blog post, the link to which is given in the description below. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.